Hello, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, you're welcome and I hope you stay. Today, I'm going to be trying the viral TikTok French nail method. Without wasting time, let's just get started. I'll be using this gel from AliExpress. It's in the color Nude Coffee. So usually I like to form the polygel before even prepping my nails. So I'll get my dual form coming with a pea amount of the polygel, and with the help of a slip liquid, I'll go ahead and shape it up. Afterwards, I'll just set them aside for later. I will get my electric file and file the tips and the surface of my nails. I'll also file off any excess cuticles. I'll come in with a dehydrator and clean up any excess dust and oils that might be on my nails. I'll come in with my cuticle pen and push my cuticles back. I'll get my gel base coats and give my nails one coat each. Afterwards, I'll cure them for 60 seconds in the UV light. So it's time to stick the polygel onto my nails. I'll get the dual form filled with the polygel and stick it onto my natural nails. I'll push it down into the cuticle area to give it that natural look. I usually like to start from the pinky and work my way to the thumb. I'll turn my nail over, and if there is any overflowing polygel, I'll shape it up or get rid of it with the help of the brush and slip liquid. So afterwards, I will go ahead and cure them for 60 seconds. It's time to pop up the dual forms. I'll come in with my clipper and clip off any excess length. Next, I will come in with my file and file off any unevenness on the tips and sides. So it's time to test this viral method. As you can see, I've got here my white mud gel. I'll be using it for the tips, and I've got my very narrow thin brush. I'll dip the brush into the mud gel to pick some color. I'll make a horizontal line on the nail. I'll go ahead and make a vertical one in the middle using the first horizontal line as base. Then I'll make diagonal lines from the sides of the nail to the tip of the nails. So using another thin brush, I'll go ahead and fill it up. If you mistake, you can just go ahead, clean it off and redo it. I'll go ahead and cure this for 60 seconds, then work on the rest of the nails. So after doing that artwork, here we are. We're all done now and they've been cured. I'll come in with a glossy top coat. And finally, I will come in with some cuticle oil to help relax my cuticles. Ladies and gentlemen, here we are. Here are our French nails using the viral TikTok method. Let me know what you think about this method. Is it easier or is more difficult? Let me find out in the comment section. If you've not subscribed, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to leave me that big fat thumbs up. And don't forget to share this with family and friends. Until next time, I am going to see you again with another nice and interesting one. Bye bye.